What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's buddy Technoboy, and here you can see that's a mini amplifier from Lee Audio, and this is a power amplifier of 200 watt per channel, so it will give you 400 watt RMS of total output. But to get that 200 watt RMS from each channel, you gotta give it a power supply of 48 volt and 10 amp, something like that. Let me show you. Here you can see maximum output power available 200 watt into 2, so 200 watt each channel. For that you got to give it a 48 volt and 10 amp SMPS, but they are providing 24 volt 6 amp SMPS, and with that you'll get 50 watt per channel output. But I have connected a 36 volt 5 amp SMPS, and with that I'm gonna get 85 watt per channel, so it is gonna provide 85 watt on each channel. And now the point is, I have connected one input right there on the left channel and one speaker output on the left side. So this thing is connected to my Yamaha 5.1 AV receiver, so the subwoofer out from this one is going to that amplifier, and the subwoofer is connected to this amplifier. Is a 12-inch subwoofer of 300 watt RMS power, which is from Sony Explode, which is huge. The 12-inch sub was connected to this, and I have removed the input and the subwoofer output from this amplifier and connected to this one. And the subwoofer, which is right here, so very big one and a little bit dirty, so just ignore the dust and all. So this is the 12-inch subwoofer right there. So now we're going to test the 85 watt power from this thing, if it can drive the subwoofer good enough. So I'm going to play some songs. So first of all, let's turn this thing on. It's powered up. So now let's play some songs and check the sound of it.
I think the girls with their nails done.
Well, that's the sound of all the 5 channels. And now let me play the song again, and let's turn up the volume control of this amplifier and check the sound.
I think the girls with their nails done.
So you can see, though the volume control is at full, but this thing is pushing the 12-inch subwoofer quite hard, I must say. And now let's check some more. So that's it now. As I told you, if I give it a like 48 volt 5 amp or 48 volt 10 amp, then it will provide 200 watt per channel, and then it can push the 12-inch subwoofer very hard, much harder than this now, and but it's already shaking the room kind of thing, but it will push that subwoofer much harder. So I'm gonna try that later. I'm gonna buy a 48 volt SMPS later. So that really is a very powerful amplifier, and it didn't heat up at all. So